Installing a memory module. Locate the required memory module slot on the upper or lower processor board. Note: ensure that you observe the installation rules and sequence order from the Memory Module Installation Rules and Order section of the user guide. Open the retaining clips at each end of the DIMM slot. Align the DIMM with the slot, and then firmly press both ends of the DIMM straight down into the slot until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. Note: to avoid breaking the clips, open and close them gently. After replacing a memory module on the lower processor board, reinstall the following components. Refer to the following videos for the procedures. After replacing a memory module on the upper processor board, reinstall the following components. Refer to the following videos for the procedures.